A major crackdown on criminal gangs under Punjab IG Dr. Usman Anwar's directives has brought a 31% reduction in heinous crimes across Faisalabad region, RPO Zeeshan Asgar announced. Police dismantled 357 gangs, arrested 921 suspects and recovered stolen property worth rupees 3.2 billion. Over 6,000 narcotic suspects were held with large drug and weapon sales. Authorities also arrested more than 10,000 proclaimed offenders compared to 2024. Murders fell 24% and dacoity 71% and robberies 38%. RPO Asgar credited effective policing and public cooperation, vowing continued operations to sustain peace and security in the region.